I'm gonna show you how to turn $5,000 per month into $200,000. Let's go. So I'm on empireflippers.com, and what this is gonna allow me to do, it's gonna allow me to see how much online stores sold dependent on their monthly net profit. So we're looking here, I was talking about 5,000 net profit. So these are in the 6,000s, selling for close to 300,000. Now, if we scroll down, we can see $5,000 selling close to $200,000. Now, how easy is it to get to $5,000 net profit with your online store? Let me show you. So if we're selling a product for $40 and it costs us $10 to acquire the product, right, from the supplier, and then it costs us $15 for ad spend per sale, that leaves us with $15 profit per sale, okay? If we're selling 11 units per day, that's $165 profit per day. If we times that by how many days are in a month, we're at $5,115. It's super simple to get to 11 units per day with the right systems and strategies in place. You could create multiple stores that are making $5,000 profit per month and then sell them for close to $200,000. You could create stores that are generating more than this and sell them for more money. So there's so much you could do when it comes to selling your online store and how much profits you can make.